Alright, it is March 1st, which means it is Fuel Fest in Tampa. So, let's get ready. Alright, so I have officially made it through the gate of Fuel Fest, and now I'm gonna go walk over and kind of see where like the cars and stuff is, and see what's going on. Alright, so I made a little bit of an impulse purchase. Currently going for a ride along in one of the drift cars, so here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna start by saying that was probably one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. So, money worth spent, for sure.
Thank you all very much. Appreciate it.
Is everybody having a good time? We're trying to keep it safe and keep it fun. I know it's hard to be around someone so handsome and close proximity, right? Thank you.
Well, met Cody Walker, so that's a W. So I was able to go for 2 ride-alongs on the drift course, and I just met Cody Walker, and Chris Fix is walking around somewhere, so hell yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap on Fuel Fest in Tampa. It was a really cool experience. Being able to actually be in the cars and drift around the track was an awesome experience. Met a few cool people there as well. And also there's a lot of cool cars to look at once you walk into Fuel Fest. But overall, I think it was an awesome experience. And one last thing, if you want to cop a hat, DM me on Instagram. I only have a few left. I can get more made, but if you would like one, DM me on Instagram. Anyways, awesome experience at Fuel Fest. Keeping it decent here. Stay rowdy.